Euro yen, just pushing on a daily time frame. Yes, just pushing. Okay, just if you are in that trend, I know some of you are riding this, just keep on riding, guys. These are the trades which make your year. Okay, even if you have 1, 2, 3 losing months, these setups which last, and you have positions for like few months, half a year, even a year or more, these are the positions which make your profit. Okay, I remember when it was actually on the beginning, and I actually couldn't believe, but I have lost like 11 trades in a row, like in 2 days. I was still trading on a 4-hourly and 1-hourly time frame. There was a huge trend. I think it was 2015 or late 2014. Okay, and I've just lost 11 trades in a row, like nothing, but there was not a big major loss because I risked a tiny portion consciously, so I was not very frustrated about. I mean, it was not pleasant, but look, it was, I mean, okay, 11 I mean, I was always looking in terms of percentages. Okay, so I think I've lost like 3 or 4% of the account with 11 trades, which was actually, I felt pretty good. Okay, guys. And the reason for that is because if you lose 11 trades and you lose only 4%, that means you know something. That means you do something right. That means your management is very correct, is very accurate. That means you're very highly self-aware. That you are aware that you can lose 10, 11, 12 trades in a row, and you know how to put lot sizes, trade sizes, to maintain the loss or drawdown of the account very low. This is what means being a professional trader. Okay, while losing a lot high frequency, you lose a small portion of account. And watch now. Afterwards, actually, I was trading it was 11 trades, more or less against the trend. Okay. And then I have entered in the next couple of days 3 trend trades, and all of them won, and I'd made more profit with these 3 trades than all these 11 losers before, few days before. Okay, because of the positive risk reward, and I ended a month in a positive. Okay, so it is very important that you trust to risk reward. Okay, trust to risk reward, risk small. Okay, so that even if you lose, like, you have to calculate, okay, if I lose 10 trades in a row, okay, how much I'm willing to how much I'm willing to lose in like 2-3 days period of time, okay, in terms of percentages. Okay, let's say, okay, 5% is maximum. Above 5, like 6, 7, I would not feel great. I would feel emotionally like hurt. Okay, so you know that there's a probability that you can lose like 10 trades in a row. Okay, why not? Why not? Why, even if you have a highly profitable strategy, why do you think it's not possible? Okay, in actual trading, it might not be, but you have to have a worst case scenario. Okay, so for example, 10 trades in a row, losing trades in a row, 5% is maximum I'm willing to accept at the like 1 to 3 days losing period. So that means I have to risk maximum 0.5% per trade, because half a percent times 10 trades is 5%. Okay, so if this is all science. Okay, in a nutshell, the whole science of our risk management in a nutshell. Okay, and when I've realized that this is really the core of being consistently profitable in terms of risk management, that's it. That was it. I mean, I've just told you. Okay, but in the 3 combo course we go a little bit further about that. But that's it, guys. Okay, that's it. You've got a lot of value right now. Implement it. Don't just think about it and write it down. Write it down and implement it. Be practical. Okay, let's move on. Pound dollar.